Have you ever uploaded a video to your Shopify store and then it's picked the worst possible frame for the thumbnail? And then when you go into the theme editor, you realize there's no option to change it. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. So the reason I spotted this issue from when I was working on my e-community landing page, part of it, I wanted a video at the top. So I added the video in, which was fine, but it just picked a random frame, which I wasn't that happy with. And then when I went to change the thumbnail, there was no option. So let me show you what I was looking at. And for anyone interested, the reason I launched my e-community was to support the smaller growing Shopify brands, for those who aren't ready to invest in a monthly support retainer, but still want clear guidance on building and scaling their online store. You can find out more at ecommunity.lrdigital.uk or via the link in the description below. Within my theme editor, I've got a custom page. Under pages, we scroll down to e-community. And from here, what I wanted to do was put a video between this main hero section and this first rich text area. So let's add that in. Add a section, find the video, drag that into the right area, and then I'll pick my video. And as you can see, not the best frame. And when you look over to the left here, we do have this option for a cover image. If I select that and add the thumbnail I've created, nothing's changed. And the reason being is this cover image only works when you add a video via a URL like YouTube. But it's not changing the native video. And what I mean by native is simply you've uploaded the video directly to Shopify. It's not on YouTube or Vimeo or anything like that. And this is the same for other themes as well. So when you look at Horizon or Dawn, they do the same thing as well. So this method I'm going to show you now will apply to those themes. And just for the record, the theme I'm using is Concept 3.1. So the way we get around this is by clicking on the Edit button here, which opens up the video within your content file section. And then we look over to the right here and we can see that it's picked this random frame as the image. So what we need to do is click on the pencil, choose our thumbnail, and that's auto-saved. And we just click on exit top left. And now we can see the thumbnail has updated. And it's also useful to know that this works in the same way as if you were to upload a video to a product listing. So if we go to a product in my store, so let's say I want to add that same video to this product. Save it, and then when we're on the front end, we can see that it has the same issue. So we go back into our product, exactly the same way, click into it, and on the right-hand side, choose our thumbnail, exit, that's auto-saved, refresh the front, and there's our thumbnail sorted. And as a handy tip, if you've got videos all over your site on different pages, collections, product pages, etc., then we can go into our files section and work on these basically in bulk. So to do that, we go to Content, Files, and then down here we can see the recent videos I've been uploading and testing. But you can also apply a filter to just find all your video files. That's done by this top right search and filter. Click on that, drop down the file type to videos, and we can work our way down this list, add in all the correct thumbnails to the relevant videos. The only issue I found with this is once you add a thumbnail to a video, you can change it, but you can't remove it. So say you wanted to go back to the random frame that was selected at the start, the only way to do that would be to delete the video file and re-upload it. For example, if I click into this one, I can click on the edit and can select another thumbnail, but there is no way to delete it or reset. If anyone knows a workaround, or maybe there's something I'm missing, then feel free to drop a comment below. But from what I can see, it's just a current limitation within Shopify, and I'm recording this in February of 2026. So hopefully it is something that's rolled out and updated. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed. And just as a reminder, if you're embedding videos from YouTube or Vimeo, then this shouldn't be an issue because you'll have the option to add the thumbnail as I showed you earlier. This is just relevant for native videos within Shopify. So that's how you add a video thumbnail in Shopify when you're uploading videos natively. It's via the file settings and not the theme editor, which is why it's easy to miss. And if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips, and I'll see you in the next one.